Mobile ordering is one of the most convenient options in your My Disney Experience app, and it's simple to use. Click on the plus sign with a circle around it at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Order Food. You'll then be taken to a list of available options near your location. Here it's showing me a new option that's available for mobile ordering. So we're back to that list with arrival windows that are available. Arrival windows are the times that you want to pick up your food. You can click on a restaurant to see a menu, find it on a map, and get directions. And you can also scroll across the top to choose the arrival window that suits your needs. Next, you will see your options. Simply select your menu items, customize them, and add them to your order. You can also use the sub-tabs across the top to scroll through your options more quickly. When you're finished adding items, click on View My Order to make sure everything looks right. You can either modify it or review order summary to begin your checkout process. You can use a credit card that's already in your account, or add a gift card number, or use a Disney Rewards card to pay for your order. Then click on Purchase. You'll then see when to come back for your order. You can also change your arrival time or cancel your order prior to the arrival window. Once you are within the arrival window time, you'll receive a notification from the app that tells you to let the restaurant know you are there and to prepare your order. You can also check on this status by returning to the mobile orders in the app. Click I'm here, prepare my order, and you'll receive another notification when your food is ready and where to pick it up. You have to show this notification to the cast member at the restaurant entrance to be able to go inside. Tip: be sure to click I'm here before you actually arrive at your dining location, especially if you are visiting during peak season. It can sometimes take a while for food to be prepared, and clicking you are ready for your order as you are walking to the restaurant can save you lots of time. We hope you found this helpful and that you have a grand adventure.